everyone, this is Jessica from DomesticatedMe.com, here to talk about the Louis Vuitton Remix collection. We're going to talk a little bit about the history, what's included in the collection, what I think are the best pieces, and what are the pieces that I would absolutely skip. The Remix collection was released on January 1st. Now, if you've been on social media hearing about this collection, the pieces that you're most likely hearing about are the denim pieces. So basically, this is like a re-release of a collection that came out when Marc Jacobs was the creative director. In my opinion, the Marc Jacobs era is really like peak Louis Vuitton for me. It's when I really discovered the brand, and there were so many iconic collections during this period. The Murakami multicolor collection, the Shine collection, the Cherry Cerise collection, the Cherry Blossom collection, and yes, of course, the denim collection. When these pieces first came out in the early 2000s, they were very popular, worn by a lot of celebrities, and you could see them everywhere all over the magazines, and they're still quite loved till this day. You can see many of these pieces go for much more than they retailed for in the vintage resale market. Again, this is because they were very popular, still loved, but also the fact that they are still around and so many of the pieces are in great condition after 20 years just really speaks volumes about the quality of the pieces. I know that we've had a lot of quality issues across luxury brands, but these pieces, you can often find them intact, in really good condition, really great condition. So the quality is there. And of course, with the Y2K era being very popular and trendy right now, then it's a no-brainer why this collection has so many people excited. In addition to the denim pieces, we also have some vernis leather pieces. Again, they pay homage to past designs, but given a little bit more of a modern twist. The collection includes ready-to-wear, shoes, luggage, trunks, and accessories. So let's talk about the best bags of the collection, in my opinion. Number one, it's gotta be the Sunset. I love the Sunset. I think this is, for me, the epitome of that denim collection. I love this bag. Originally, it was called the Mini Pleaty, but the updated version has some differences. I will do a compare and contrast in a future video, so make sure that you are subscribed and stay tuned for that. Actually, this is the perfect opportunity for me to introduce myself. If you are new here, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores, and I am a lifestyle creator. I cover everything from fashion to beauty, DIY projects, home decor, luxury travel, you name it, I cover it all. So if any of those topics interest you, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to the subscribe button so you can set your notifications on for all. That way you'll be notified whenever my videos go out. I don't have a set schedule, so if you have your notifications on, you won't miss a thing. Then we have the Venice backpack. The original piece was called the sac à dos, okay. I don't speak French, so please forgive me, but I believe it was sac à dos. I know this is going to be a really popular backpack because so many of us do love small backpacks. Love backpacks in general, but small backpacks, they're so cute. So I know this is going to be a popular one. Now I'm combining the next one because I like to cheat. It's the vernis Speedies and the vernis Almas. I'm putting them together because they basically do the same job. They are classic pieces. The Speedy and the Alma are classic, and they are both trending right now. So if you have a Speedy or an Alma, pull them out because they are back. For this collection, they come in the PM size and then the nano size. The nano size is very small. You cannot fit an iPhone, but if you're someone who loves tiny bags, they're very cute. The nano Alma has an adjustable strap, but it also comes with that chain strap as well. And that one has little enamel charms hanging off of it, which is very cute, very youthful, which is why I skipped that one for me personally, but if that's your taste, they're very cute. The Alma PM is a classic size, but this one comes with studs on the vachetta leather along the bottom. It also comes with a hair clip and a chain so that you can chain your hair clip to your bag, which is very interesting, very fun, and new. And what I like about this collection is that there's a couple of pieces in it that are basically like 2 for 1, like you get 2 bags in one, or you get a bag and a hair clip. Then we have the Cousin PM. That one comes with a gorgeous enamel and metal chain strap and a guitar strap. You really have to look at this in person because online, I feel like the images don't do it justice. That chain with the enamel coloring that matches the bag itself is stunning, absolutely gorgeous. Now I have some honorable mentions. First honorable mention goes to the Hills bag. Now, is this an overpriced tiny bag? Yes. Absolutely. It's very expensive for how small and what it is, in my opinion. But again, if you are a lover of the denim collection, past or present, and you just want something from the collection, you like small bags, this is a solid youthful little bag. Then we have the Carry-All MM. This is quite a spacious bag that can be worn on the shoulder or as a crossbody. I just think it's very handy. It's a good sized tote. You can fit a ton in it if you're someone who travels with a lot of stuff or, you know, needs things for work or school or what have you. It's a good sizable bag. And again, I really like that you can wear it over the shoulder or crossbody. Then we have the Croissant MM. And this is one of the ones that I say are like a 2-in-1 because not only do you get the bag, but then it has a tiny little version of the croissant hanging off the strap. Now you can detach it, you can remove it from the actual bag, and then you can literally have 2 bags for the price of one. That price is a little high, of course, but if you're into small bags, if you're into cool, interesting pieces for your collection, then this is one that you should definitely check out. The ones that I would skip off the hand is basically all of, I think pretty much all of the small little SLGs, or they're really not SLGs because they're not leather, or they have little pieces of leather, but the little small accessories. $505 for a key clay, to me, is excessive. But a $630 vernis zippy coin purse, that's okay. That's okay. I'd rather do that than the denim, than the really expensive denim piece. I personally am not a fan of the denim Nano Speedy that has that little pocket. I think I'm just into symmetry too much. You know, it's one thing to have like a hair clip hanging off one. It's like, you know, a little extra, a little charm. That makes sense. But to put a pocket on just on one side of a Speedy, I'm not a fan of it. If you're into it, don't let me dissuade you. If you love it, get it. But for me, I don't like the look of an asymmetrical pocket. The bag charms. $1,050 for a No Way bag charm. I would just get the PM cosmetic pouch for $890. The high-rise bum bag. I understand why people still wear bum bags. I wear a bum bag when I'm like, you know, running errands, so I get it. It's a very useful, practical, you know, easy thing to throw on. But that luggage tag, I just can't get behind that luggage tag that they just slapped on these bum bags for no reason. I don't think anyone asked for that. Did anyone ask for that? All right, so now let me know what you think about the collection. Now that we have the pieces, all the pieces online, and that people are posting on social media, let me know what you think. What was your favorite? What do you not like? What do you wish they had done differently? Are you a fan of the original versus the new, or are you a fan of both, or not a fan of either? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. And in case you're wondering, yes, I shot the collection.